Hey, my name's Alex and I've just finished my first year at PCA. So I study 3D design craft, which includes working with metal, glass and ceramics. And this means that my day will normally start off with a demonstration to show some new techniques or processes that you can use in your own work. For my course, the facilities are literally amazing. We've got a new building that I use, built in 2014, and it's worth over £7.7 million, which is pretty impressive. The way that our demonstrations work are very helpful for actually learning the techniques. It's very hands-on and you can normally get involved straight after you've been shown what to do, so you can copy the technique. During the first year, there's one module where you have the opportunity to collaborate with another subject. So you can kind of meet people from a completely different area in the uni and make some cool things that you might not normally think about if you were just working on your own. This module then ends with one huge show where everyone displays what they've made throughout the year, which is really cool to meet people and see what everyone else is up to, basically. There's so many opportunities to exhibit your work throughout the year, whether it's in the university campus like this one. There's also live briefs where you can get involved with realistic projects, with real organisations. You can also get involved with the Tate Exchange and exhibit at the Tate Modern. One part of my course is to exhibit on Mount Edgecombe, which is a big kind of hill up to the side of Plymouth, and it's really beautiful. So that kind of pushes your boundaries and you can get your work out to the public as well, which is great. Last but not least, Plymouth is by the sea and it's beautiful. I was saying to my friend the other day how walking up to the Hoe, you have not lost any amazement throughout the whole year. It's always like, oh.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Other than all of this, I am happy to say that I have met such great people this year. It's super cliche, but yeah, I've had a really great time and it's been a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.